Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can very easily allow the WhatsApp app to access contacts on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, make sure to put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. So let us get a head start on our topic. And if you would like the WhatsApp app to keep track of all your contacts on your phone, so that you don't have to search and drive them yourself, then it would be very simple to give the WhatsApp app access to your contacts on your phone. Go on your iPhone to your phone settings. Then you will need to scroll to the bottom and in the section where you have all your apps, find WhatsApp. Navigate to it. After that, you will be able to find a section called Contacts. As you can see, at the moment I have it deactivated. And I can't keep track of my contacts so that they are synchronized in WhatsApp. And in order to activate this feature, you just have to click on this button here so that it turns green instead of gray. And that means you've allowed WhatsApp to access your contacts on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and see you soon.